Today, I present to you the most terrifying creature I have ever encountered.
I want you to let Sasquawk free.
I can unleash this ferocious beast on society.
All right, Slab. You distract Malcolm. I'll free Sasquawk.
I'm on it.
I'm here, girl.
Sasquawk, what are you doing?
I know you'd never hurt me, but snatching me away isn't exactly going to convince anyone you're harmless. Plus, the tops of skyscrapers are the first place people look for giant creatures.
We're launching a full-on assault. Fighter plane 1, go. Fighter plane 2, go. Fighter plane 3. I didn't order a third fighter plane. I'm not paying for that.
You have to call off the planes. Sasquawk isn't alone up there. She's with Adam. He'll get hurt.